Could the US become a crypto hub of the world? And these Reddit tokens are rallying hard. This is your Altcoin Buzz news. Hey, what's up everyone? My name is Cody Buffington. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you know when I drop the latest content. Follow us on Twitter, AltcoinBuzzIO, and as always, this is not financial advice, and we wish you the best of luck in your crypto ventures. Democratic Presidential Candidate Robert F. Kennedy Jr. has promised to progressively back the United States dollar with Bitcoin if elected as president. Speaking at a July 19th Heal the Divide event, Kennedy claimed that backing the US dollar with what he called hard currency, including gold, silver, platinum, or Bitcoin, could help restabilize the American economy. Kennedy explained the process would be gradual and that depending on the plan's success, he'd adjust the amount of backing for the dollar.
The Kennedy administration will begin to back the US dollar with real finite assets such as gold, silver, platinum, and Bitcoin, which is the world's hardest liquid asset, to strengthen the US dollar and guarantee its continued success as the world reserve currency. This will include US Treasury bills, notes, and bonds. My plan would be to start very, very small. Perhaps 1% of issued T-bills would be backed by hard currency, by gold, silver, platinum, or Bitcoin. And then, depending on the outcome, we would increase that annually. And what this will do is it will ironically, we will be able to use Bitcoin to help save the US dollar.
Additionally, Kennedy declared that he would make Bitcoin to US dollar conversions exempt from capital gains tax. In his view, the proposed exemption would spur investment and incentive ventures to grow their business in the US instead of other crypto-friendly jurisdictions such as Singapore or Switzerland.
The Kennedy administration will exempt the conversion of Bitcoin to the US dollar from capital gains taxes. And there are downsides to this policy that we have considered carefully, including, and I want to be explicit about this, that this kind of policy will do something that is inconsistent with many of the other policy objectives of my administration, which will give a windfall to some of the investors or the early investors in Bitcoin, many of you whom have a great deal of money and don't need a windfall. But the benefits of this policy, I think, are so great to our country that they dwarf the disadvantages of that outcome. The benefits include facilitating innovation and spurring investment, ensuring citizen privacy, incentivizing ventures to grow their business and tech jobs in the United States rather than in Singapore, Switzerland, Germany. And that means it will be more difficult for governments to weaponize currency against free speech, which, as many of you know, is one of my principal objectives, and other civil liberties.
Kennedy's latest round of pro-Bitcoin comments come in the wake of his appearance at Miami's Bitcoin 2023 conference in May, where he announced that he would accept political campaign donations in Bitcoin. Kennedy is one of many presidential candidates to make sweeping crypto-based promises. On July 14th, Republican presidential candidate and Florida Governor Ron DeSantis promised to ban central bank digital currencies if elected president. Launching with $40,000 in prizes up for grabs, the start of the Red Village's new Blood tournament has been nothing short of excitement and suspense. Our partners at IQ Protocol have been along for the entire ride and are excited to see how the tournament plays out and who the final winners are. IQ Protocol is a person-to-person NFT rental technology which allows users to unlock the full utility of digital assets at a fraction of the purchasing cost, completely redefining on-chain ownership and access. With 25 factions initially competing for just 8 playoff spots, the competition has now narrowed down to just 4 factions as we enter into the final weeks of the competition. Not only has the quality of the gameplay been high, but the intensity of the Red Village's competition participants has also been fierce and intense. The engagement of the entire Red Village community around the world has been mind-blowing. In the first week alone, the Red Village notched more than 1,000 new active users, while IQ Protocol recorded more than 8,000 new rentals of the Red Village champions during the same period. On average, most wallets were holding between 6 to 7 rentals of the Red Village champions, further demonstrating the competition's entrance commitment to secure prizes. Through a review of IQ's own backend marketplace data, rental durations on average were approximately 1 day. By that math, 8,000 rentals corresponded to roughly 8,000 days of renting, equating to more than 21 years of rentals within just the first 7 days of the competition alone. Social impressions across all platforms since the new Blood launch have just recently crossed 20 million. With just a few weeks left to go, we expect that number to continue to rise as the winning faction is eventually crowned and the final prizes are distributed. Meanwhile, the Red Village continues to pick up momentum and press, recently landing the top 5 blockchain games with the highest active users. The IQ protocol featuring the Red Village competition is the next generation in NFT utility. Rent out your NFTs for passive income with the link down below. New York Representative Richie Torres has called on the U.S. SEC Chair Gary Gensler to reconsider the regulator's position on crypto following a dreadful day in court. In a July 18th letter to Gensler, Torres requested that the SEC limit its enforcement cases to bona fide bad actors rather than indiscriminately treating the majority of crypto assets as securities under its purview. The lawmaker's letter followed a court ruling in the SEC's case against blockchain firm Ripple that suggested that the XRP token was largely not a security. Torres said, under Chair Gensler, the SEC has not issued a single rule on crypto assets, nor has it given any clear guidance. All it has done is sent mixed messages, one after another, not only contradicting the CFTC, but often contradicting itself. Torres echoed other experts in suggesting a quick appeal to the court decision was unlikely, and with new legal foundation, the SEC's case against Coinbase could also be at risk. The commission filed a lawsuit against the exchange in June for allegedly offering unregistered securities. The SEC must reassess its reckless regulatory assault on the crypto industry. It's unclear how the SEC intends to respond to the court ruling, but Gensler said on July 17th that he was disappointed in the impact the judge's decision would have on retail investors, and the commission was still considering what, if any, actions it might take. Ripple's XRP token outperformed most cryptocurrencies on Tuesday as the initial market-wide rally following last Thursday's lawsuit ruling has seemingly fizzled out. The native token of the Ripple payment system was the best performer among the top 25 crypto assets over the last 24 hours, gaining 3.6%. XRP retook its place as the fourth largest digital asset by market value, toppling crypto exchange Binance's BNB token. David Lawant, head of research at the institutional crypto exchange FalconX, said that the Ripple versus SEC lawsuit did not generate a broader lasting rally in crypto. Though it's given back some of last Thursday's gains, XRP was still up roughly 60% since the ruling. The native tokens of Reddit's r/cryptocurrency community, Moon, and Bricks have experienced significant price gains this week after Reddit announced changes to its terms of service. The price of Moon has surged by 300%, while the Brick token has seen a remarkable increase of 600%. Reddit, a popular news aggregation and discussion website, updated its terms of service, permitting users to earn, buy, or sell cryptocurrencies and items that can be cryptographically verified. The change was made in May 2023, but only recently became publicly known, causing a rapid appreciation in the value of both tokens. Back in 2018, Reddit introduced community points as an experimental feature in certain communities like subreddits to encourage user participation and contributions. These points are ERC20 tokens and are known by unique names in each subreddit, such as Moon in the cryptocurrency community. Community points are distributed to users based on their engagement within a specific subreddit, including activities like posting, commenting, upvoting, and receiving upvotes. The more active and engaged a user is, the more points they can accumulate. Within the subreddit community, users can use these points for various purposes, such as purchasing special features, accessing exclusive content, or participating in polls. Additionally, Brick is another crypto-based Reddit token associated with the r/Fortnite subreddit. These tokens can be traded, tipped, or used within the community and are stored in Reddit's Ethereum-based wallet called Volt. Reddit Moon tokens were launched on Arbitrum Nova by Reddit admins in 2020 as part of their Community Points program. On the other hand, Bricks token is a reward for contributions in the r/Fortnite subreddit. Over the weekend, a post gaining traction in the r/cryptocurrency subreddit claimed that Reddit had updated its terms of service, permitting the trading of verified virtual goods, including avatars and Reddit's community points. The community's enthusiasm prompted Kraken, a cryptocurrency exchange, to suggest that it might potentially list Moon. Moon is already being traded on platforms like Mexi and Gate.io. However, Kraken has since clarified that it currently has no plans or intentions to list Moon on its exchange. Moon, however, is now listed on Crypto.com. This move has led to a significant surge in the token's price for the second consecutive day. According to CoinGecko, Moon's price has increased by an impressive 141% within 24 hours. While other exchanges like Mexi and Gate.io already supported Moon, Crypto.com's large size and reputation have further fueled optimism among Reddit users, making them even more bullish about the token's future prospects. The updated terms of service for Reddit strongly suggest a significant shift from Web 2 to Web 3, as the new terms of service hint at phasing out regular virtual goods in Web 2 in favor of verified virtual goods Web 3. This distinction is apparent as Reddit is moving away from using the term NFT and instead adopts the term digital collectibles to describe a part of the verified virtual goods. With this Web 3 approach, users will have the ability to trade and sell various blockchain-based add-ons such as Reddit avatars, community points, and wearables. This shift indicates Reddit's willingness to embrace blockchain technology and further integrate decentralized features into its platform, providing users with more ownership and control over their digital assets. That's it for Altcoin Buzz News Update. I'm your host, Cody Buffington. Thanks for watching.